Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to Friday Night Gab. And Smudge is actually up here. It doesn't happen often. I think he's been in a video this week though, but I don't know how long he'll stay. So, he's my buddy. He's my buddy, aren't you, Smudge? We miss our buddy, our real buddy. We miss, don't we? Anyway, hello and welcome to Friday Night Gab. I hope y'all have had a good week. It's been very hot, very stressful. Is that how everybody feels? I know I have some makeup on, but I forgot my earrings. I can see that right now. I need a haircut, and I've got one scheduled, but it's 2 weeks, well, a little less than 2 weeks out now. So just the way it is because I just have too much going on. But I've been going to the chiropractor a couple times a week, and that's really been helping me. And, so let's see what we can talk about. So have you all noticed anything about my channel? You might not have noticed. That girl. Because I'm not quite there. I'm not quite there. But I'm getting very close to 2,000 subscribers. So I should have done a giveaway already, to announce it and get me over the hump. But I just haven't had time, y'all. I have some things put aside. I'm getting get it together very, very soon. I put up a teaser on Instagram that it's coming. So now the thing is I have to work tomorrow, and I'm telling y'all, I'm getting too old for this, working on the weekends, but they just really need my help. Okay, so what can I do? What can I do? All right, Smudge, please don't put your bottom in the viewfinder. Let me move this over maybe a little bit. He's gonna sit down right here. A couple things I want to show you. I just showed you this yesterday from the Happy Homes office box. I love it. I'm using it. I love it. What I didn't know until after I was done filming and I went to go wash it because I used it the next day, which was this morning actually. No, yesterday. I think I've used it twice now. Okay, I wanted to show you. In the bottom of this was, when I took everything apart to wash it, was this. So this rubber, this is metal. It's like a coated metal. And then this rubber piece was at the bottom for you to put on yourself. So I did put it on. It has a really super duper sticker on it. So it says stainless steel skinny tumbler. Do not microwave, and hand wash only. That's what you're supposed to do with tumblers. And the brand is Zone Grace. So ZONEGRACE. So I did not know that yesterday when was it yesterday that I reviewed the box? I think so, yes. So anyway, I'm loving it. And it, like I said, it fits perfectly in my car cup holder. So something that's great for offices is, for just being out and about. People that work or don't work. I just think that box was lots of fun. So I'll put that video below. If you haven't seen it, go see it. I feel like I have a million things to tell you all about. So last week, I was not live. I'm also not live tonight. I'll be live soon again. But last Saturday, I just had an inkling to go live, so I did. So I think when I go live in the future, it's best not to have too much to do because it was so busy that I couldn't keep up with the comments. And I showed you all some empties. So I think I'm going to just come on and just say, hey, and then if people talk to me, we'll go from there. It might be the best way to go because I hardly ever get to tell you important things. So I do have something important to tell you in this video. I've picked the winner from my paparazzi jewelry video, and I'll tell you who that is in just a moment. I'm going to stretch it out a little bit longer. My Boxy by Ipsy, BoxyCharm by Ipsy. Did that come this week? I think it did. It was a little late to me. It wasn't like it was late, but I just usually get it earlier, I think. And in there, the Ciate London palette was broken. It's beautiful colors. And I've had that palette before and I gave it away. And I just love all those greens for fall. Very, very in. And I've been using more greens. And when I was cleaning that palette up, I could not believe how wonderful the powder was. The eyeshadow was. The pigment was wonderful. Well, BoxyCharm, Ipsy, whatever you want to call them, has told me that they're sending me a replacement. And also I was missing a little $3.50 add-on that they actually gave me for free. I was missing that as well. They say that they're replacing those items. And then they also said in the email, though, that remember, replacement doesn't always mean you'll get exactly, you know, they might be. So at least they didn't tell me it was sold out. So maybe I'll get what I ordered, hopefully. Well, we'll see. We'll see. I'll let y'all know when I get it. So yeah, I want you to, if you haven't seen it yet, go see that Happy Homes office box. It's a lot of fun. And how are y'all? I've been getting some wonderful friend mail. Thank you all so much for thinking of me. And I'm going to tell you now who the winner is for the paparazzi jewelry. My winner is Peach Rose, which is Miss Sally. So I'll put her picture at the end. She came up in the comment picker, and that was a fun video. I thought the paparazzi jewelry, it's fun. I just, you know, if I could do a giveaway every day, y'all, I would do it. I really would. But it's the postage that's stopping me. And, you know, it keeps going up. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do exactly for my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. I do have some things getting together, like I said. And I think I'm just going to make it one big giveaway. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I'm still working on it. So I do have my hidden treasure giveaway is always going on, and I think it's coming to an end right about now. So be looking for that soon. And I have my Mask Monday giveaway will end on Sunday at noon Central Time. I have a couple other little giveaways that maybe weren't so much of a hidden treasure, but they might be a hidden treasure because I didn't announce them in the title. So you may want to look for those. You may find something like that. And is that really all I have? I was going to tell you, you know, I got some add-ons with my FabFitFun fall box. And I got 2 refill mystery bundles. So those mystery bundles are different from the regular mystery bundles. They're only $19.99 a piece. And I think I've been trying not to watch people's, but I think from what, you know, you can see the bag. I can see the bag. I didn't hide it. I think that everybody got the same thing. And then I got 2. So I don't know if the second bag is the same for everybody also, but they even tell you, I think that, you know, it might be the similar stuff. So it's not like the regular mystery bags. Now, some of those mystery bags are the same. We know that from mystery, from our FabFitFun battles, and that a lot of people do. We know that we do end up sometimes with the same bags. But I will be showing those bags in a separate video. I just haven't had time to do it yet. But I did have some add-ons from that. And I wanted to show them to you really quickly here. Hang on a sec. I had another refill, and then I also had just one add-on. So they're both Spongel, so you can know that. I got this beautiful box. Look at how beautiful. Oh, somebody was here. Beautiful box. How gorgeous is that? They do Spongel packages things beautifully. On their website, they do have some good sales sometimes, and but I get them mostly from, I used to get them from Boxy. Ipsy sells 1 or 2 here and there, maybe for $5 or $7. I think they've really gone up to about $7 now a piece. So this is a double set. This I paid $7.99 for. They had several different double sets, and the double sets are like $11.99 on sale on FabFitFun. But this one was $7.99, that's why I got it. This is valued at $28. And okay, so see how, you just can put a bow on this and give this as a gift. It's just absolutely stunning. Okay, so let's see what's in there. There's 2 Spongels. So, okay, there's 2, and these are bigger. And then in this particular box, I have gotten boxes of doubles where they're the same Spongel. And then I've gotten where they're different. These are 2 different ones. So we've got, here they are, they're big. And one is yellow, more yellow looking, and one's white. It smells wonderful. The combination of them smells wonderful together. But this one it's printed on here. That's Tiger Lily. And then this one is Mystic Out. Mystic Out. Okay, so 2 body infused buffers, 30 plus uses, because each one's about 15. Well, where's the notes? I thought why don't they tell us? I don't think the notes are on this box. Oh well, that's okay. Directions, caution. It just tells you, to massage. The buffer itself is rough on the skin, so it really exfoliates well. Well, it does not say. It says Art Chinois collection. That's this gorgeous collection. I don't see the notes on here. Isn't that odd? But we've got Tiger Lily. I'm just telling you, I don't know that I've ever smelled a Spongelle that I did not like. Some I like more than others, but I've never said, oh, this is awful, gotta get rid of it. Never. This one is softer, maybe. This one's more floral. Oh, heavenly, heavenly, heavenly. So I'm putting them back in the box, and that was my add-on for $7.99, $28 value. And then this was a refill. They started doing the refills with FabFitFun at least a year ago, maybe a little bit longer ago. And when they started it, the mystery bundles that were $14.99. They went up to $19.99 now. And they promise you $70 of value. And then on the Spongelle refill, they have 3 Spongelles in the package, and this is $14.40. And the value of this is $40. So let's look at it. But when they first put this out, they had 3 different scents. Everybody got the same one. There's 3 different ones in here. And then I got it, of course I got it, because it's less than $5 a Spongelle. And then the following season, they had the exact same trio. And I thought they would change it with the season, and they didn't do that. But I think, so I canceled after that. I think that they may have started doing that, because this very much sounds like a fall collection. So it says sweet cinnamon, citrus rose, and spiced lemon. That's very summer into fall, in my opinion. So the package is beautiful. There's 3 in here. So again, this would make a gorgeous gift if you wanted to gift it. And then when you open it, it's nicely packaged. Let's see. Smudge moved over there, and then so Camille's now over here. I like to open it without breaking anything. This particular box, the way that it comes, these are the round ones, and it comes with 1 string. So there's a string. The string is reusable. It snaps open, so you can put it in. And these are wrapped gorgeously. All right, there's 1, 2, 3. We've got these smell wonderful. Sweet cinnamon. It does. It smells sweet cinnamon. It smells like you're baking cinnamon rolls or something. Oh, that smells wonderful. I don't feel the hole in here, but oh my God, I do. I feel it. Okay, so I don't use the string, so I usually, I'll give that to someone because even with a Spongelle that doesn't have a string, because you can poke something through it to make the hole. This one is the spiced lemon. I know I'm gonna love that one. Now this one smells rather masculine. I really like it. Ah, it's wonderful. It's wonderful. It smells masculine to me. And then the other is citrus rose. And that one, I don't really smell rose so much. I smell some citrus. But sometimes, when you start using it and it gets wet, you'll have more of those scents. So again, a wonderful gift. Or you could say, I can give these separately. They're wonderful. So that was valued at $40. I don't know how they get 40 when you got 3 things. You can't divide that evenly. But that's what they say. Maybe because it's in a pretty package. But that's really all I got extra from FabFitFun. I didn't get a lot of extra. So I'll have to try to put this back together nice and neat. And thanks y'all for stopping by. I hope you have a great weekend. I hope that your weather's okay. From what I understand, tomorrow's going to be our worst day, 105. And I know a lot of places are higher temperature-wise, and that's bad. Here, the humidity is awful, so that doesn't help. But I'll be working inside where the air conditioning is working, and I'll be at home where the air conditioning is working. Pray that keeps happening for everybody. I know, people do lose their power this time of year, so with these kind of things. So I hope you're all safe. I hope you all have air conditioning. I hope you all have nice water, Gatorade, whatever you want to drink. I like those IV liquids. They help me out a lot. And y'all stay safe and count your blessings, y'all. Take care. Okay, Camille, are you going to be calm? Yeah, maybe not. Does not like to be held, y'all. Y'all take care and count your blessings. Good. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.